Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I am walking through this brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 250. It's one of our first 2026s of the season. We have this one in the white hull side, black hull bottom. It's got a power tower on it. It's got the insert for the power tower, a little aesthetic upgrade. Tons of features on it. You got a nice big Bimini on it. Tons of sun coverage there. Up front, you got quick release fender clips. You have 3 cleats, one in the front, one in the middle, one in the back. Tie yourself up to the dock very nicely. Up front, you have a flip down ladder. It's really got everything. Swinging around to the back here, we have our American flag. This one does come with the flip down swim seat. You have a telescoping ladder on this side underneath this hatch. Easy in and out, great spot to hang out on the boat. We'll jump up on the inside and I'll show you the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. Notice you have a huge space back here to entertain out on the water. Nice big sun pad. This seat flips down flat into a bed. You got tons of storage. Large storage compartment here, doubles as a cooler. You got side fuel fill here. Over on the other side, you'll see you have your wash down spigot there that flips open. You have your stereo puck, change the song, the volume, anything that you'd ever need. You also have a wireless or a charger there for all your devices, USB, USB-C. Moving on to the inside here, you got a nice conversational area. You have a really luxurious wood table that pulls out with dedicated storage in the passenger side console up here. You got storage underneath all your seats. These seat backs are flip-flop. So if you want to make this space a little bit bigger, again, great conversational area to entertain with your guests. Slide these back. The captain's and the co-captain's side are on a bolster. Give yourself a little bit better vantage viewpoint when you're docking. Over on the side, we have our digital throttle. You have push button start. We also have our key over here. We have more chargers, a 12 volt and USB, USB-C. We got our trim tabs. We got dual SIM rads on this one. I like to set it up with gauges on one side, mapping on the other. We have switches for all of our lights, our horn, blower, all that good stuff, bilge pump. Moving up to the cabin space. On the SDX series, they all have this massive cabin / head space. Moving that towards the keel gives you much more depth and headroom, so it's easy for anybody to fit down in there. Over on our passenger side, we have our stereo head. We have a glove box here with chargers inside that glove box. This one has the upgraded sound systems. You get the amp, you get the subwoofer, puts out awesome sound. Moving on up to the front, again, we have our table. This flips over, so if you're trying to fit in there, you can get in there easily. But nice deep seating, massive for this size of a boat. Again, you got chargers. We got chargers over there in the corner. Up here we have our anchor slot and our ladder that I mentioned when I was on the outside. This one also comes with the bow sunshade. You got these inserts here, put poles in, you got a canvas that comes over the top, so you got shade from bow to stern. This boat's awesome. You guys are gonna love it. If you have any questions, give us a call, come see us at the store. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.